Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition, and let me share with you how to enable the Nightlight or Eye Comfort mode. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Then let's scroll down and localize the option Eye Comfort and sleep. So here we've got different options, and let me ignore the sleep, health and bedtime mode only because it is more automatic option, so there is nothing to adjust here, and I wanted to show you how to customize the eye comfort. Here you've got also the AI eye comfort, and basically it detects your eye fatigue. So again, it is not really that much customizable. I mean, we can just turn it on, and then our device will scan our face in order to apply the eye comfort or not apply it. So just let me leave it because it is again automatic, and let me focus on this traditional eye comfort mode in which we can actually personalize different things. So let's tap on the switcher to turn it on, and now you can see that the screen immediately turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Here we've got the screen color temperature, and by going to the left we can make it cooler, so it is actually invisible, and by going to the right, much warmer. There's a huge difference between those two settings, let's say. Now it is almost orangish. So of course set it on the level, on the intensity which is the most comfortable for you. Right here we've got also the paper texture, and to show it to you I will set it on the coolest side, and here to apply it we have to just draw the switcher to the right, and I'm not really sure if you can see it, but you have to trust me that after applying this option your device will apply the paper-like texture to the background. Personally, I'm not really sure whether I like this effect. However, I think it could be useful, especially if you're reading books on your phone. So not only you will add this yellowish tone, so your eyes won't get as tired as they could in the when the blue light filter is not turned on, but also you will have this bookish-like effect by applying the paper texture. So it's up to you. And here we've got the display effect. So we've got three different options. We can either display true colors, which obviously will be affected by the eye comfort, but they will still be vibrant, etc. We can also set it for the color, and it is still the same, but we can also set it black and white, and everything is monochromatic, which is quite nice option to use, not only for the whole effect, but also probably it will limit your interest in using your phone. I mean, you know, it is not colorful, so probably you will think like, it is not really that much interesting. So probably you can just limit the time you're spending on your phone thanks to this display effect. All right, and I forgot to say that we've got also the schedule option. So let's tap on it. Tap on the switcher, and here we can choose the specific start and the end time, and of course our device will apply the mode accordingly. So this is the whole customization of this mode, and if you wish to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar and here try to find the eye comfort. So let me swipe, and as you can see it is right here. If you cannot find the eye comfort, no worries, just tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon at the top, and you will be able to, I hope, to find the icon here just by tapping on this plus icon in the left, and now you can find the tile, so find the icon and tap on it to add it to this first section, and tap on done to confirm. Alright, so just tap on the eye comfort to apply it, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.